We started our last morning in Ghent by visiting Gravensteen, which is also called Castle of the Counts. This castle was built in 1180, and this is where the Count of Flanders lived until 1353. After that, it was repurposed into a court, prison, and even a cotton factory. And it was restored in the 1800s, and now it is one of the most popular museums in the city.
What makes this castle so great, it is equipped with an audio guide that has you laughing the whole entire way.
We usually don't have the best attention span with these kind of audio guides, but this one was so funny that we really just couldn't quit listening to it. And we'd always start the audio guide at the same time and start laughing and know exactly what the other one was hearing.
And tells you many stories of what Gravensteen is all about. Like most castles, this castle was filled with artifacts, armor, and all of the sorts of things that make a castle awesome.
There's a really great viewpoint when you climb up the stairs and come to the top of the castle. Those are always our favorite, when you get to see the city from above.
Each part of, the castle has a story of its own, and it's really interesting listening to the audio guide tell you so much about this little tiny castle in Belgium that is so underrated in our opinion.
We looked up things to do in Ghent. This was definitely at the top of the list, but we were really surprised by how great it really was. We would definitely recommend spending some time here. We spent probably about 2-3 hours there, I'd say.
Overall, we really like the castle. Like I said, I would really recommend this castle. We've been to a lot of different castles, such as Burgelt's and the Tower of London. This ranks up and are definitely at least top 5, if not top 3. Just lots of interaction. Like we said, a fun and awesome audio guide, an actually authentic castle. This isn't something that's been staged quite a bit. We loved it. We definitely recommend it. We probably will come back.
We are currently at Antwerp, Belgium, and we spent the morning in Ghent, and we went to Castle of the Counts called Gravensteen, and that audio guide is probably the best audio guide I have ever experienced in my life. Kind of just walking around Antwerp. It's our last night in Belgium.
But we're getting ready to go beach bum. So we're going to Greece.
Yes, we go to Greece tomorrow.
Tomorrow we go to Greece, and we're
So
very
excited.
excited. So
we love the ferries, honestly. It's one of the most exciting parts of going to Greece.
yeah.
We got some coffee. We're just sitting out here enjoying it and going over the other things we're gonna do today. So Antwerp definitely has a more modern feel. It's a bigger city. Not as medieval feeling.
Nope.
Which is fine, He was so excited to do this.
Just broke my sunglasses. We are in the city center of Belgium,
And
Antwerp.
And yeah, the whole city center, the whole country.
The whole country. I mean, pretty much. So
but honestly, we don't really need a reason to come back, but a good one would be that everything is scaffolded. Like literally everything is scaffolded.
So this city, I think, is by far at least my favorite. I love it. Like, it's really cool.
Yeah.
It's really big.
It's a good mix of like busyness of Brussels, but the like charm of Ghent.
Yeah, so there's just a lot going on. It's out of the cities we've already been to, this like resembles them all the most, just because there's just a lot going on, a lot of culture, a lot of different food, a lot of like different, you know, architecture and everything. So it's really awesome though. We really love it. This is actually not the building, it's the scaffolding on the side, which is pretty clever.
I mean, I'm like really happy that they put what it looks like. I think that was very considerate of them.
Yeah.
That way we have an idea, you know, what it looks like.
On to the next thing, which I'm not really sure what we're doing next. What are we doing?
We'll figure it out.
Figuring it out, but yeah.